Hi friends, it's Elsie Goodwin here, and today I'm going to share with you a few different things on creating a sharp V for your triangle shaped pieces. First we're going to go through and figure out how to get this angle to match this angle, and then we are also going to review how to get both of these sides to match, and then a general rule I have for the length of the fringe and how it can be most complementary to the piece. So this piece here is 12 inches wide and it's just about 12 inches long, and so the fringe will also be 12 inches in length. And I have just found that it is the most balancing to the eye, the most satisfying, if the fringe is the same length as the wall hanging and the knotwork itself, or about 2/3 of the length. So today this piece is again 12 inches wide, about 12 inches long for the knotwork, and then I measured an additional 12 inches here, or just 24 inches from the very top. And so you can see I already cut this right side here, and so you might wonder, how did I get this angle? And what I do for that is I will take this down, and I want it to be leveled with the floor, and so I will cut all the way across to get this straight, and then when I lift it back up, it will match the same angle as the triangle piece itself. From there, I will match, just like I'm doing a haircut, I will match each side, and you want to make sure that you're pulling the right and the left side that match. And I just go through and trim, match them at center, and cut. And then after I do that, I will untwist each of these cords, which takes quite a bit of time, so we won't be doing that on the video today, but I will untwist all the cords, and then I will generally go back and trim again. When you untwist the cords, it typically adds a few inches in length, and so I will, and it also, like, the ends will look a little bit unfinished. Sometimes I leave them like that, but in general I like to clean up the piece and for it to look just kind of sharp. And so I will untwist and then trim again. But now you can see both sides match. So I hope that is helpful to you. Hopefully that will solve a few of your problems that you've had when you're trying to get both of the sides to match. I know that my pieces have gotten shorter and shorter because I didn't know that little trick. And so, yeah, please subscribe to my channel. Please follow me along on Facebook and Instagram at Reform Fibers. And I'm also going to be switching and adding some information that will be helpful to creatives at elsiegoodwin.com. I'll be sharing just some inspiring artists and things that I think are creatively interesting, and just some how-tos, announcements on patterns, kits, and workshops and things like that. So please subscribe, please follow along, and thank you for your support. Bye-bye.